This bird can copy a crying baby. Yes, an actual baby crying. Meet the Superb Lyrebird, one of the most talented mimics on Earth. Native to Australia, this bird can imitate almost any sound it hears, from camera shutters and alarms to the sound of a human baby. Its voice is so realistic, it can fool people walking in the forest. Scientists believe it mimics to attract mates, turning every sound, even a baby's cry, into part of its love song. Nature really said, "Anything you can do, I can echo."